Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used vehicle. Let's take a look at this beautiful Land Rover Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic. The vehicle features a 3-litre SDV6 diesel engine and an automatic gearbox. This Range Rover is finished in the stunning Carpathian Grey exterior colouring and would be ideal for someone looking for a large, luxurious and sporty vehicle. At the front of the vehicle we have these matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. And at the rear of the vehicle we have these LED tail lamps. The Range Rover sits on these 22-inch 9 split-spoke alloy wheels with a dark grey diamond cut finish. Now taking a look inside of the rear of the vehicle, we are greeted with our electric powered tailgate and a rather large amount of boot space. You could quite easily fit a set of golf clubs, a set of suitcases or maybe even your weekly shop. On this control panel here we have the ability to raise and lower the ride height when loading the vehicle, and also access our electrically deployable tow bar. We also have access to a power socket there and a spare tyre under the boot should we ever need it. Once again, at a click of a button, our power folding tailgate will close itself for you. Now taking a look at the rear seats of the vehicle, we are instantly greeted with our 3-zone climate control system, where we can set the perfect temperature for the rear passengers of the vehicle. We can also access the controls for our heated rear seats here. The interior of this vehicle is composed of this ivory and ebony perforated leather seats. Now we also have access to a centre armrest which will easily fold away to comfortably seat a third passenger. We also have ISOFIX points available to us here for any younger companions joining you on your journey. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we are greeted with our leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, our 10-inch colour touchscreen display, and once again these gorgeous ivory and ebony 22-way memory front seats with winged headrests. These seats are heated and cooled and also feature multiple seat and height adjustments and a memory function so that the passenger and driver of the vehicle can resume the perfect travelling position. Now taking a look at our leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, we have our media controls on the left and our cruise control and lane keeping aid on the right. Now this Range Rover has done 31,531 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. We also have multiple driver displays to access here, where we can choose from driver assistance, map, trip summary, media, off-road information, and the ability to turn it off for anyone who finds it distracting. On our 10-inch colour touchscreen display, we have access to all the essentials like a DAB radio system and Bluetooth telephone functionality to take those all-important calls on the go. We also have access to a satellite navigation system to allow the driver to easily navigate to their destination. We can also access the vehicle's rear view camera to help when getting in and out of those tight parking situations. This Range Rover is also equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and also valet mode to keep your personal address and information safe when having the car valeted. This Range Rover is also equipped with configurable ambient lighting, where you can choose from a wide range of colours to suit your personal preference. By clicking on 4x4 information, we can access the vehicle's off-road information. This is key to have when taking the vehicle off-roading. At a click of a button we can also access the vehicle dimensions, a great feature to have when trying to fit your vehicle in those tight parking situations. This vehicle is also equipped with an electrically deployable tow bar, a great feature to have when towing trailers, caravans, boats, or maybe even jet skis. We also have a terrain response system, which has different modes to suit the driving terrain that you are driving on. We also have access to our telephone display there, along with our DAB radio display. Now clicking on seats, we can set the perfect temperature for our heated and cooled seats. Now clicking on climate, we have access to our 3-zone climate control system. As you can see, the controls are both easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle, allowing all passengers to travel at the perfect temperature. We can also set the temperature and heated seat function for our rear passengers here as well. Just below this we have access to our automatic gear knob, our terrain response controls, dual cup holder, and in our centre armrest we have access to a fridge to keep our drinks cool for those long journeys or summer drives. This Range Rover also features a sliding panoramic roof, allowing plenty of daylight into the vehicle, and also having the ability to open it, allowing plenty of fresh air in the vehicle, perfect for those sunny days or summer drives.
This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online now.